The golden boat will carry you. And I wrote this one for Richard Atkinson, and this is actually descriptive of the golden boat that Richard saw before he moved on to the next level. So the golden boat will carry you. The golden boat awaits you there, the one within your dreams, the one that you were searching for in every living theme. It now comes forth to carry you, to ease your tired feet. Your angels, they will guide you now, surround you in their fleet. I don't know what was troubling you, a man of so much pride. The struggle threw you to the waves, now rest in peaceful tides. We had our moments, you and I, communication frayed. I'm grateful that we saw the light within the time you stayed. It seems that those who loved you truly hung on every word. Yet untrue thoughts that hurt you most were silenced and unheard. The golden boat awaits you now. You saw it as you slept. You drifted in the sunlight as your loved ones slowly wept. The angels, they will greet you now. The angry waves will cease. Though loved ones' hearts are hollow, may yours now be filled with peace.